If you want to know how to fix Snapchat not working on iPhone, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, I can easily use Snapchat. I can open chats folder, chat with my friends, send snaps, and so on. But sometimes you can receive some problems, some errors. So how can you fix it? Basically, I have the solution. So firstly, of course, you need to check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Please make sure that you have internet, because sometimes it could be number one reason why can't you use Snapchat. Why doesn't it work as for you? So the next thing we need to check is that we need to open App Store, go to search, and search for Snapchat right up here. Make sure that you have the latest version of the app, so you have the update button. Please click and download it, because sometimes Snapchat doesn't support the old versions if you didn't upload the latest version for a long time. So this could be the second reason. And the last thing you need to check is that we need to open our settings, go to bottom of the screen, and here search for Snapchat. Make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on. It's like very important settings, very important parameter as for Snapchat. So after that, you can try to open the Snapchat app, and if it still doesn't work, we need to follow the next way. We need to delete it, basically remove, delete app, and then just reinstall it through the App Store. So these are the ways of how can you basically fix this problem that Snapchat doesn't work on your iPhone. So after that, everything will be fixed and you'll be able to use Snapchat for 100%. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.